my chunky laptop has a really cute laptop sticker, Winnie the Pooh holding caterpillar next to the apple. I still have to decorate my new MacBook, but this is the situation from a long time ago, and this chunky little boy is so cute. So I want to try to find some new laptop stickers, so comment below if you know a place for cute MacBook cases and stickers and whatnot. So here I'm comparing all 3 generations of MacBook that I have. This was the oldest one. I think it's 13-inch because the bezels are big, so it looks bigger than that one. But that one's a newer version, and the bezels are thinner. This one is the newest and also the biggest. It's 15-inch Starlight version with the thinnest bezels, so that's the newest one. But yeah, so let's see the side. This is pretty chunky with the CD. And then in comparison, this is super thin. So I'm just gonna lay them next to each other. You can see there's a gap, like a slipping off point here. As we look at these two, they're both pretty thin. So not too different compared to the MacBook Pro. So the trackpad between the Air and the Pro is kind of similar. I feel like this one's a little bit bigger, perhaps by ½ an inch. I kind of like smaller trackpads because I feel like there's less room to travel to get to where you want to go in terms of the cursor. This one has like a true tone yellow. This one is very white and cool toned. And then this one is also a little tinged yellow, but trackpad is smaller compared to the other two. This one is so heavy. It feels like almost 2 of these, honestly. Yeah. Or maybe these 2 combined makes up this. And these are the ports for the MacBook Air. USB-C charger. And on this side, headphone jack. These are the ports for this MacBook Pro, not many, and the headphone jack. That's it.
It's very hard to distinguish. I like the champagne. I like the center.
M2 chip. This FaceTime is really not good. I look super red, purple, and really grainy. And then this one, as you can guess, is the worst. I look super dark, purple even, and super grainy. Not good. Over here, this one is HD quality. I really like this camera on the newest MacBook Air 15. This is like what I expect, like HD definition, a little soft filter, you know what I mean? And this is what it looks like when both laptops are open. This one seems brighter to me in person, but I know it gives this yellowish tinge that this one is clearer. But in real life, they both look pretty bright to me. I might have a warm tone thing on, or true tone on this one, but not clear on that one. But this is really thin bezels, which I like. And then I can try it typing a bit, so. And then this one. Kind of similar sounds. I feel like the feel, this one is much closer to the keyboard itself. And then this one has slightly more depth, but these two are kind of similar. The biggest difference is over here on this one. So. Sound-wise, I kind of used to this type of sound, very clear, crisp, and it goes really deep into the laptop. But what I do like about it is that it still has the CD port, which I use as a CD player because for Taylor Swift, I bought her new CD, Taylor's version, Speak Now, so I have to play it somewhere. I like the charger. A lot of these ports I can't really use anymore because they're USB ports and the SD card. But what has stayed the same is this headphone jack, so I've been holding on to my earbuds for Apple and using it till now. And this I've never really figured out what's it for aside from telling me the battery life, so this is kind of fun. But yeah, I like the size of the trackpad. I don't know why the new one is so big. Maybe if you have big hands, but for me this was a good enough size because I don't want to travel too far just to move them out. And this camera lens is still up here at the top, which I like because then it seems like you're making eye contact with the person you're video or FaceTiming with. And then one thing I do miss is that while these are super shiny with the Apple logo, this one has the glow, the signature glow that we miss. But yeah, that's all the laptops.